Hi guys, this is Joe. They already know. No, I don't want to be weird. Okay, anyways, so.
That was weird. Awkward. That was awkward. Alright, go on.
Okay, I'm getting hot already. He had this idea to have like a spicy chip challenge. He's gonna add this sauce.
It's like the hottest sauce in the world.
Here, I'll let him explain.
So guys, if you guys don't know, this is ghost pepper. One of the hottest in the world.
I've never tried it.
So we are doing, like she said, a spicy challenge. We have a scale, chips, and of course.
And what are your rules, or what do I have to do?
So we're gonna do, we got 2 plates. We're either gonna do 6 or 8 ounces chips each plate. And every chip that you pick up, you have to put the hot sauce on top. And whoever eats the most after, what, 2 or 3 minutes?
I think we should do it for 2 minutes.
Shit's weak. 2 minutes. And whoever, and then we're gonna wait again to see whose plate is less. So, and that's how we determine who's the winner. And you can't drink any water, nothing.
Until the end, right?
Until after the timer stops. And we have
okay, he can take he eats more spicy than I do, so I'm afraid. I feel like I'm gonna be dying if I pass out.
What kind of Mexican is she?
Well, I eat spicy, but not too spicy. I can handle aguachiles, kind of.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna set this up, and then we'll see you guys in a bit.
It would take too long. It's too short, 2 minutes. So,
alright, guys.
We'll see if I can grab it later. Okay.
Okay, so you think you're gonna win?
No.
No faith. All right.
I have no faith in myself.
All right, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh fuck!
I'm gonna have a drop already. So. I'm already spiced.
I
put too much. No. No, we should have done 2 minutes. My eyes are watering.
Fuck.
This one has already a drop. It has a drop already, guys.
Is there no joke?
Go.
Fuck, only a minute? What the hell?
We should have done 2 minutes. This is very spicy.
It was my idea.
This one has a drop. A baby drop. I'm dying. How long?
A minute and a half left. That's not bad.
Guys, I'm dying. I can't do it. That's not fair.
I'm determined.
What time?
The fuck? Sounds like I'm dying. Holy shit. Her face is running out.
My nose.
40 seconds.
This is too long, babe. This is torture.
My nose is running.
You know what?
Her eyes are watering.
Okay.
Hold on. 9, 8, 7, last one, come on.
A little. A little.
Wait, hold on, we have to weigh it.
No, fuck that.
Dude, yeah, look at her moco one. Look at her moco. Holy shit, guys, look at that.
Can you have tissue? Can we wait after? Just leave it. We can see this. Do you have milk? Do you have milk?
Where is her? Oh,
I can't. It doesn't go away. No. That's ice cube. It's almost going away, kind of, but it comes back.
that was a stupid idea.
I can't stop.
Fuck you guys, I won't keep going back and forth. Fuck the whole ice.
Okay.
I never want to see this again.
Hold on, let's see that. Okay, guys, I sucked at this. He was eating, if you see the last part, he was pouring it. I couldn't anymore.
Damn. It's getting a little better.
Yeah. Oh, it's too cold. But it hurt like in the back of my throat. It was burning my tongue. So as I speak, it burns.
The thing with this, can't even talk. The thing with this hot sauce, guys, it comes back like right after. It's a creeper.
How did you find this hot sauce?
This YouTuber.
Where'd you buy it though?
World Market or Cost? World Market, is that a thing?
I have no idea. I'm finally coming back.
Yeah. Guys, this thing's so hot that it has a warning label on it.
What does it say? Read it.
You know that shit. I can't even talk.
I'll read it. Okay. It says, warning. Use this product 1 drop at a time. Keep away from eyes, pets, and children. Hey, the cats, come here. Not for people with heart/respiratory problems. Shake well and refrigerate after opening. I would think of. So this has ghost peppers, naga, jolokia, hot pepper extract. These guys is dying because he had way more than me. You won, baby, you won.
Fucking fun? I think it's worse.
Yeah. It says insane. Plus, plus, plus. I don't even read this. I always trust you. But leave it to Joe to get the really spicy hot sauce. I'm tempted to get that one.
What are you doing? We have to wait it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. If she wins, you know why. Alright guys.
Wait, no. Let's press again.
Ladies first. Let's see what she got. So we started out. We started off with 4 ounces each. Let's see what it is now. Wait, what? Oh wait. Yeah? What? Yeah, there you go. So, alright guys. So we both had 4 ounces each on each plate.
When we started.
So we just weighed hers out. Hers is now 2.2. Hold on guys. So fucking hot. How are you not hot?
I didn't have as much as you. You were going ham for the end.
So
You were like,
win. I just weighed mine out. 1.4. 2.2. 1.4.
you know what? It's okay, you can win.
Whew, honestly guys, I'm definitely gonna feel it in an hour if you catch my drift. How hot we're out.
I'm so spiced. That was
Our spicy challenge.
with our own twist. We just came up with it. We did get the idea, he said, from a YouTuber.
Because of the hot sauce.
The
So I'm
hot
like, hey. Because normally I can take spice. So I'm like, you know what? He's probably being a bitch. But no, he wasn't, because that thing's no joke. Spicy ass. Alright guys, so hope you guys like the spicy challenge. If you guys want us to do more challenges, let us know.
But
Yeah.
okay,
so you guys like that?
we will catch you guys
We're alive.
next time. Bye.